let's just say when I first got started with trading, I was a shitty trader. Very, very shitty. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos. So if you're someone who would like to learn how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post the next video. So let's jump right into this video. I want to talk about how I used to trade Bitcoin in the beginning versus how I trade Bitcoin now, okay? I've been trading Bitcoin for the past 2 years now, and I'm telling you, in the beginning I was not a great trader. I was so bad, okay? And I have made a lot of mistakes. In the beginning I just made horrible mistakes, but I learned from these mistakes, and now I am a way better trader than I was in the beginning. So I thought it would be nice to come out here to share my experience with you guys, and my goal with this video is to help you guys also learn from my mistakes so that you guys can also become better traders. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, so there are so many things that I used to do when I first started trading that I do not do anymore. Okay, what are these things? Okay, so number one, the thing that I used to do back then when I started trading was I had zero trading plan. Okay, I had zero plan for trading. So this means that when I entered a trade, I didn't know where I'm gonna get out. Okay, I didn't know where I'm gonna take my profit, and I didn't know where I would exit my trade if the market was going against me. So I would just literally just enter a random trade based on my emotions. Okay, I'll just enter a trade just because I see the price moving fast. If the price is moving fast, I'll go ahead and long it, thinking that it would just keep going up, right? And if I saw the price going down by a lot, then I'll go ahead and short the market, believing that the price would just keep falling. Okay, this is what I was doing back then, and this cost me a lot of money. Okay, I was just losing because the market would always go against me. When I placed those trades, zero plan, the market was going against me so bad. So when I entered a trade, another thing I would do is I would go and watch other YouTubers. Okay, YouTubers who trade cryptocurrency. There's a bunch of them, you know, Car the Moon, Crypto, you know, all those crypto gurus. Yeah, I was watching their videos every single day. So whenever I would enter a trade, okay, and then I go to their YouTube channel, watch their latest videos, then their analysis, they will start talking about how the market is actually going to go the opposite direction than the direction that I thought the market was going to go to. Okay, so when I watched their videos, I got so scared. Okay, I would get so scared, and I would end up going back to my trades and completely exiting my trade. Even if I was at a loss, I would just completely exit it just because they said, oh, the market is actually going the other direction. So that cost me a lot of money. Okay, listening to those YouTubers was a big mistake, and this is something that I don't do anymore. Okay, whenever I enter a trade, I'm entering a trade based on my own analysis. When I will analyze the market on my own very well from top to bottom, and then when I am confident about the direction that I believe the market is going to go in, then I enter a trade. This has helped me to save a lot of money. I started losing less in my trade by doing this. The second thing that I used to do in the beginning was I was trading with my emotions, and this really wrecked me. Okay, like I was really attached to the market. I was attached to my trades, and this was not good, guys. Let me tell you, let me literally give you like a picture of what I mean. Okay, so when I enter a trade, okay, I enter a trade based on having zero plan, no strategy, nothing. Okay, And then what do I do next? I have my phone, okay? I have the Trading View app on my phone, and I am constantly checking that app, like literally every minute, okay? I'll be doing something, and then 5 minutes or a minute later, I literally open the app to see what the hell is happening in the market. Is the market going against me, or is it going my way? That's how attached I was to my trade. And by doing that, it made me get out of trades constantly, okay? If I saw that the market was going against me just by a little bit, I would immediately exit my position because I was afraid of losing any more money. I didn't want to lose any more money, so I would just get out of my trade immediately, okay? And you know what's funny? The moment I exited my trade, that is when the market starts going my way, you know? That is so freaking creepy, and I would always get so freaking pissed whenever that happened, you know? As soon as I exit my trade, then the market decides to go the direction that I wanted to go. I'm like, what the heck? Seriously? You know, seriously? Then I lost all this money, you know? I lost all this money when I could have actually made more money, you know? It really got me pissed, and this would happen every single time, you know, every single time. At least for the first 6 months of me trading, I would win, and then that profit I made, I would end up losing it from the next trade that I take. This, guys, was horrible, okay? You do not want to be trading with your emotions when you are trading, okay? Completely let go of attachment to that trade. Just let it go. Forget about your trade. Before you enter a trade, though, you want to make sure you properly analyze the market, okay? Analyze the market properly. Be confident, at least 90% confident, okay? I would say between 80% to 90% confident that the market is going to go your way, okay? Once you have done that, then you want to set up everything automatically. Set up your take profit area and set up your stop loss, and completely just shut off your computer, your phone, whatever it is that you're trading with, and let it go. Go on with your day. Doing this is actually going to help you to not be emotionally attached to the market and your trade. What other horrible mistakes did I make in the beginning that I no longer do now? Okay, so I was relying on indicators. What are indicators? Basically, indicators are tools that you can use which will help you to determine what direction the market is going, okay? There's like a bunch of indicators out there. You can find them on TradingView, okay? That's where I use them. You know, the one indicator that I can mention is the RSI indicator. There's also the moving average and some other indicators, you know. So I was literally relying on those indicators 100%. You know, when I first got started in trading, I didn't really know how to read the chart, you know. I didn't really understand chart patterns, you know. I understood candlesticks, okay? I understood the open, the close, the high, the low, okay? But other than that, I didn't understand anything else. I didn't understand that there's something called support, resistance, okay? Yeah, I know. I should have like really put time into learning about these things before I go on and trade, but I really didn't. I just was so hungry to make money, and yeah, that cost me loss, you know. I was at a loss by doing that. So if you're new in trading, please do not just go ahead and jump straight into trading. You want to put time into learning how to read the chart on your own, okay? Don't rely on indicators in the beginning. Don't listen to any other crypto gurus, whatever. No, focus on just studying the chart on your own. Buy a book, okay? Buy trading books, buy courses, and just really spend time into studying first, at least for the next 3 months or so. And then after you finish studying, then you want to start applying the things that you've been learning and practicing and everything. That's how you become better, guys. That's how I became better. What else did I do in the beginning? I was using high leverage. We're talking 25x, 50x and above, okay? I did not know what the hell I was doing. I just saw, oh, by using this leverage, I'll be able to make a lot of money, and I don't need a lot of money to trade with. This is great. So I go ahead and put that 25x leverage or 50x leverage, and dude, I was getting liquidated at a blink of an eye, okay? I would enter a trade, the market just has to move by a little bit, just a little bit, and then the exchange would take all my money, and I would just go to my room and cry. I was crying because that is a lot of money. I work hard for that money. So yeah, now I don't do that anymore, okay? All of these things I did in the beginning, okay? And I have learned a lot from them. I have learned a lot from them. They have cost me so much money, okay? We're talking like over 5,000. So now it's been 2 years since I've been trading and I have learned a lot, okay? Now let's talk about how I trade now, okay? The way I trade now, I lose very little. I don't really lose anymore. I have more winning trades than losing trades. Okay, so let me share with you guys what it is that I do now in my trading. Okay, so the way I trade now, it is very relaxed. Okay, I am so at peace with the market, with my trades every single time. I rarely look at the chart on TradingView. Now what I do now, before I enter any trade, okay, I will go and spend at least 30 minutes to an hour properly analyzing the market from top to bottom. Okay, I will start from analyzing the bigger time frame, so that would be monthly, weekly, and daily. Those three are considered high time frames. So I will go and do my analysis there, really draw out the supply and demand zones. Okay, I will see if there's any patterns. I will see what trend the market is in. Are we in an uptrend, downtrend? Okay, I will do all those in the bigger time frames, and I will move down to the smaller time frames. Okay, so that's the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. I'll go and analyze. I'll draw out all the support and resistance area. When I'm done that, then I will figure out where I want to enter the market. Okay, once I figure that out, then I'm gonna just sit down and relax and wait for the market to come to me. I no longer chase the market. Back then I used to chase the market. I would chase the market. If I see the price going up, I would just go ahead and enter the trade. Okay, but now I just sit down, and honestly this has made it so that I don't really trade a lot. Okay, sometimes it takes hours and days for the market to come my way, but I am cool with that because I'd rather wait days to enter a winning trade than to go ahead and enter a trade and end up losing all that money. So yeah, this is what I do now. I properly analyze the market, and then I just sit and wait for the market to come to me. And now I also do not use high leverage. The maximum leverage that I use now is 10x. Okay, I've learned from my mistakes that using high leverage will get me liquidated very fast. The other thing that I don't do is I don't rely on indicators anymore. Okay, I only use 2 indicators right now, the RSI, okay, and the Natural Bull. That's it. But I don't rely on them. I will just go use them to just confirm my analysis, and then that is it. What else do I do now that I don't used to do back then? I do not listen to any so-called crypto gurus on YouTube. Okay, I don't really follow their analysis anymore, because that used to get me wrecked so bad. So I completely just stopped. If I watch their videos, it's just to like compare with my analysis to see if mine is right or if it's not, but I don't base my trades based on what they said. And you have to think, some of them, when they make those videos, okay, the time that they made those videos saying that, oh, the market is going this way, it might be already too late by the time that you watch it. Maybe the time that they were saying that the market is going to go that direction, that was during the time that they were making that video, and now you're watching that video like what, 5 hours later, 6 hours later. You've already missed the trade, man. So following those crypto gurus makes 0 sense. And you know what I have learned? A lot of those crypto gurus, the market always does the opposite of what they say. If they say that the market is going to go up, the market usually goes the opposite direction. And if they say the market is going down, the market actually starts going up. So I actually now I've learned to use those crypto gurus as an indicator to go the opposite direction. That always works so well, man. It's actually funny. I am a way better trader now compared to how I was when I first started trading 2 years ago. And I am so grateful to God for just helping me to acquire these trading skills. Honestly, I am truly grateful because it is one of the best skills anyone can acquire. You know, being able to trade and make money online anywhere you are in the world is truly a blessing, and I am grateful that I am able to do this every single day. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Please, if you're making any of the mistakes that I used to make when I first started in trading, please just stop doing them, because you're just gonna keep losing money, and that is not good. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel, as you're going to learn a lot on how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.